guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's same makeup, same outfit, same background, but different unboxing. So if you are interested to see what I got, just keep on watching. So these products that I'll be showing to you is from two different brand, but they are sister companies, so I'm excited. So let me just start with my Get Yourself Glowing from, you know what it is, Pixi Beauty. Wow! Grabe, no? So here is their packaging look like. I love that they are introducing this kind of box in their PR. I miss big boxes, but just to save the Mother Earth from cutting all the trees in the mountains and, you know, conserving and trying to limit the use of big boxes, I appreciate Pixi for doing this. Small, but you know, what's important is what's inside of this box. Can you guess what is it? My yearly glow tonic. OMG. I have 1, 2, 3. They're big glow tonic, so I'll be giving some to my family, and maybe the small one is for giveaway right there. And I'll put it with the giveaway that I'm planning really soon. So I hope you guys can join. Follow me on Instagram so you are updated whenever I posted it there. And it says here, Pixi Skin Treat since 1999, own your glow. With a personalized glow tonic, it's time to own your glow. And you can follow them on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, hashtag Pixi Beauty, and you can check their website at www.pixibeauty.com. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Look, oh, I have my name. Oh, thank you so much, Pixi Beauty. Let's open this together. I haven't checked this yet, so it's going to be a surprise for you and to me. Let's use my razor for my eyebrow. Thank you, YCC Communication and Consulting and Corporation, for sending me this box. Woo! Ah, thank you! Oh my gosh, thank you guys. Here are their makeup. Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you, Yvette. It says Pop Beauty. Christine, enjoy the Pop Beauty. It's awesome. XO Yvette. Thank you, Yvette. I've been working with her for a year now. She trusted me to represent all the brands that she's working. She's an agency, you guys. And thank you so much for sending me this. OMG. I'm excited. So let's open it together. Ang cute, ah. Bagay dito. See? Perfect. So let's open this together. Stop receiving packages from Pop Beauty directly. I'm not sure why. But yeah. But thank you, Yvette, for gifting me more products from them together. Oh, thank you, Yvette. And this is not the last. I forgot she surprised me with another box. I need to find it there. But they sent me their new Pop Makeup Magnet Mist Setting Mist. Ang ganda ng packaging. I always see them on Facebook. And I was like, oh my gosh, when I'm gonna receive it? Because I've been supporting Pop Beauty for a while, but they stopped sending me for some reason. I'm not sure why. But I talked to Yvette and she said they haven't sent anything yet for the PR. But I see bunch. But it's okay. It's okay. Diba? Thank you, Yvette. Thank you. And they sent me this. Oh my gosh. I will put this today. Look at the color. I don't know know why I'm so obsessed with color orange right now and color like this. Maybe because it's fall and it's my favorite. Fall and winter is my favorite. Spring, not so much because my allergy starts when it's springtime. I like it. Thank you. Ang cute naman pala niya. And they sent us the Pop Beauty Plus Shadow, liquid eyeshadow in the shade Naked Glitz. Nail polish. Ano ba shade to? In the shade Watermelon Wow. And they sent us the Pop Beauty Afterglow Primer. Ang ganda ng packaging. I love it really. Good job kayo sa packaging. And their Permanent Pout Liquid Lip Color in the shade Butter Babe. Let's see how their lippies looks like now. It looks like this. And this is their new packaging now. Palette! Thank you! This is their Light Show palette. Oh, ang ganda! Their Prismatic Pop palette. Ah! Thank you! Thank you, Pop Beauty Yvette from YCC Agency. Thank you! Plump Pout Volume Gloss. Wow, may gloss na sila ha. Ay, ang cute din! Oh my gosh! Look, oh! Oh, thank you! Ooh, minty. Dry pa naman ang lips ko. Ooh, look. I love it. Thank you. This one is a surprise. I'm not really expecting a package from YCC Agency, but she surprised me before Pop Beauty. And I was like, huh? You sent me a box already? I was just talking about you yesterday about, you know, Pop Beauty and all that. And she was like, yes, I'm full of surprise and I hope you like it. Yes, I love it so much. Thank you. It feels like Christmas whenever I receive a package from YCC Agency because they really take care of me and they send a lot of stuff. My gosh, I appreciate it. Thank you. And it says here, scare germs away with Cirem. It's from Cirem Skincare. Thank you, Cirem. It says here, as Halloween approaches, we wanted to share a way to stay safe from spooky germs. Cirem's medical grade hand sanitizer is a lightweight gel formula that contains 70% alcohol, hyaluronic acid, and aloe vera to soothe the appearance of dry skin, leaving hands clean and moisturized. XO Yvette and Amy at Siren Skincare. Thank you! And may paganito na naman sila. Oh my gosh. Maybe we put... we're building a platter here for flat lay. So maybe we put it here para balance. See? Ang gandang tingnan, diba? Sent us a mask from Siren. See? Ay, ang ganda. Nakaka-fresh. Thank you, Siren. And here is everything. Marble. Yung wall ko nga, marble. Sana kaya kong i-marble yung buong wall, no? With you guys. Lalamin nyo. Tada! Cirem Medical Grade Hand Sanitizer. 70% alcohol formula made in USA. Let's try one. Ito yung packaging. Ooh! Oh, yung bango. Uy! Grabe! Smells expensive. I know a lot of people were like laughing at me whenever I post something or say something on my vlog like, oh my gosh, it's so expensive. It smells like expensive. Look expensive. That's how I just say it to make fun of it in a nice way, ha? But it's really smell expensive. You wanna see how my expensive smells like? Here. Expensive. But it smells expensive. It's because whenever I go to, kunyari, you pass by at Louis Vuitton store at the mall, you smell their perfume like, oh, smell expensive. Or when you buy their bag and you smell it, it smells expensive. Nagets nyo ba? Yun yung the way I explain. I don't know, but it smells expensive. Siren Skincare, good job. No, ang bango. Ang bango. Ang bango talaga, guys. Pwede nyo amuyin. Bango. Thank you. Thank you, Yvette. Thank you, Amy. Thank you, Yvette. Thank you, Amy. Thank you, Cirem Skincare. Thank you, Pop Beauty. And thank you, Pixi Beauty. And yes, I hope you guys like this video. And if you do, please kindly give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below so you stay connected. And as always, thank you, and follow me on Instagram. It's Christine_Mireni. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye! Be safe, everyone, and happy fall!